How you do that question shit? What the fuck you mean I scared you?
Hi.
What you doing, man? Go on.
I play a game.
Okay, well, keep playing your game.
You get a game. And you get a game. And you don't get a game. Why you asking?
I'm trying to figure out a question.
Why is I get at my fun on my game? I wish. Yeah.
Man, get your garbage ass on.
I should got and then
I can't do shit.
I don't see. I don't care. And what's that on a hat? And what's that? What's that, Maya?
What you mean? What's what?
Guy, what that guy? Did I say?
Hold on, they're asking me questions. Let me see.
Okay, guy.
Let me see the questions.
Okay.
It's your garbage ass.
You got it, Emma.
When you coming back to Dallas? Shit, I don't know.
I said again.
I don't know yet.
So,
No, I can't do shit.
okay, I don't care.
Broken blunt arm ass nigga.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
Alright, I'm finna get the fuck up out of here, cause you.
I don't care. I don't care.
I don't give a damn either. Broken blunt arm ass nigga.
Maya.
You better pick that shit up.
Maya.
You better pick that garbage ass shit up.
Okay.
I'm answering all questions tonight. I don't give a damn what you ask. Ask what the fuck.
I don't care.
Chewing ass nigga.
I don't care.
I don't give a damn either.
I don't care. I did that again.
What you been up to? Now shit.
I said.
Let me get some water. Give me some.
No.
Man, stingy ass nigga, pet ass nigga. You petty hell. Give nigga some water, pet ass nigga.
I need 8 more water.
You need 8 more waters? Well, give me one.
No.
Petty motherfucker, man. You petty hell. You want petty garbage ass nigga. You know that? Can I become a member of the food truck? Maybe when I start that hiring. Hey, man, hey, little bro. Sit down. Hey, little bro, sit down, little bro. Man, that's what I be talking about for. I can't do shit. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Please read my question saying that nigga. Alright. I told you stop then. Then I tell you stop.
No.
Y'all ain't never seen me whoop his ass, but you finna see that. Stop! Then I just tell you to stop. Go sit down. Go sit your ass down. Sit down. Now y'all see, I don't play this shit. Sit your garbage ass down, all that woofing and playing and all that dumb shit. Come on, man.
You need to sit down too.
I need to sit down too.
No, he needs to sit
Yeah,
down.
he need to sit. You right. He need to sit down. Yeah.
He needs to sit down. I don't care. I don't care.
You don't care.
Yeah.
What the fuck you mean you don't care?
I said, oh yeah, I don't care, Mom.
What the fuck you mean you don't care? What you saying?
You get my in that arrow wife.
All right. Talking back.
Okay, Mommy.
Talking. Yeah.
Okay, Mommy.
I know it's okay.
Okay, Mommy.
All right.
You did what you said.
That's when I have to get on his ass sometime. Do you ever get frustrated with your arm being like this sometimes? No. No, I do not. I don't give a shit. When are you going to fix your front tooth? I could have been did that. I don't give a fuck about no teeth. Who gives a shit? I'm not trying to please no bitch or not even you. I don't give a fuck. about no teeth. Next question. Come to Brownsville, Tennessee, dirty booty hand ass nigga. I will soon. Next question, please. Oh, man. You and Glock need to do a music video together. This shit would be hard. Okay, garbage ass nigga. Why everybody be sucking your ass dry for some money? I don't fucking know, but I'm sick and tired of every time I go somewhere somebody wants some money. Let me hold some. I'm fucked up. Fuck with me. I don't care neither.
I don't care.
Let me tell you something. You must want me to get on your ass.
What you want?
You must want me to get on your ass.
I'm gonna get your ass.
You said what?
Enough of that.
You said what? What you say?
Enough of that.
Nah, what? Nah, what you say?
Enough of that.
What you say?
Enough of that.
Look, Roy.
Enough of that.
Alright, you better watch your mouth. You ain't grown. You think you grown?
No, I'm not.
Okay, if you know you ain't grown, why you cursing?
I said I did.
Why are you cursing?
Mama said the what and the
You want me to get on your ass? Do you want me to get on your ass? Alright then.
I don't care, Maya.
I know you don't care.
I did say I did. I told you I did.
Keep doing your thing. You motivate people all around over the world. Thank you so much. Does it come with some ass? Does it come with some ass?
I don't care, Maya. I don't care.
Somebody exit. Fine. When you gonna let me rap for you? I'm not a motherfucking A&R or no motherfucking none of that shit, so you can never rap for me, you garbage ass nigga. Oh shit. How you pick up heavy stuff?
Maya, I don't care, Maya.
I don't give a damn either. So why the hell you talking to me?
I don't care.
Let's hit the gym when you come back to ATL. Say no more. I'm finna answer every question on this bitch.
Maya, I don't care.
You the truth, my boy. Thank you so much. This is not a question, but thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Next question, please. I don't make no harm, but you talking your ass off. Thank you so much. Thank you. Next question, please. When you coming to Milwaukee with the truck? Soon. Can you shut out my business? You don't answer my DMs. Can y'all please go support this garbage ass nigga DMs, please? His business, I meant. Chosen One GFX, that's his name. This garbage ass nigga trying to get some promo. He think he's gonna get it for free, but I fuck with you, garbage ass nigga. Oh man.
Maya, I don't care.
I don't care either.
I just say I get.
When is your brother gonna move out of your house? I'd be glad when his garbage ass move out because he's so shit.
Maya, no on the phone.
I don't give a fuck, Mazi. God damn.
No on the phone.
Mazi, I don't give a damn. Why is you calling talking to me?
No on the phone.
I don't give a damn.
Maya, no on the phone.
Shrimp arm ass nigga, little arm ass nigga, popcorn player arm ass nigga.
Maya, why you saying no again?
Is the fish ready? Is your fish ready?
Okay, Maya.
Man, look here, bro.
What?
Don't you see I'm on live?
I said again.
Don't you see I'm on live, little bro? God damn, man. I can't do shit, dog. I just whoop your ass online, man. I just whoop your ass.
Why
Don't.
is that? I just take mama in there and mama.
I don't give a damn. God damn.
I told
Oh,
you,
fuck.
Maya.
When are you coming to Kansas City?
Maya, what are you saying?
I don't know yet.
Okay, Maya. Are you get back? I don't care.
My god damn, man. Hey, little bro. Let me leave you one time, little bro.
I don't care.
I don't care either.
I didn't say and if you take my something in.
I did what?
You take my something in.
I take you to Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah.
I told you I'm gonna take you to Chuck E. Cheese. Why the hell do you worry me every day about Chuck E. Cheese? Why?
Because I need something in.
I'm going to take you to Chuck E. Cheese, Maz, okay?
Why you take me down?
Spatula, listen, man. Take you to Chuck E. Cheese, okay?
Why you take me down?
Bruh, I told you I'm gonna take you. When you wanna go?
I'm gonna say it.
I told you I'm gonna take you to Chuck E. Cheese, okay? You happy? When you wanna go?
I'm gonna say it.
Okay, I just said I'm gonna take you. Why you keep saying this? Bruh, listen. I said I'm gonna take you to Chuck E. Cheese, okay?
Why you do that and you take my
Bruh, then I say I'm gonna take you to Chuck E. Cheese. Then I say that. So why the fuck is you keep asking? Right now?
Yeah.
Who the fuck you talking to?
Okay, no.
Who the fuck you talking to?
No.
I say who the fuck you talking to?
No.
Alright then. You better calm your motherfucking nerve before I get on your ass. You hear what I'm telling you?
Yeah.
Okay then. So do you understand what I'm telling you?
I'm gonna go something in.
Listen, do you understand what I'm telling you? Or do I gotta get on your ass?
I said you go get me.
Okay, now go sit your garbage ass down.
Ow.
Before I get on your ass. Spatula arm ass nigga. Didn't I just tell you the same goddamn shit? So why the hell you keep asking me the same shit? I just told you. So why you keep asking me the same goddamn shit? When you gonna take me to Chuck E. Cheese? I just told you. God damn, man. Take your shoes off.
Yeah.
Your shoes already off. What is you talking about?
Mama gone.
I know that.
Until he not.
What?
Mama gone.
Okay. Your point.
Not that, Maya.
Look at what?
Not that.
You need to get this shit up. That's what you need to do. Get it up. Pick it up. You got it too junk in here.
Maya, I just kidding.
Man, you need to clean up. That's what you need to do. Clean this stuff up. Come on, garbage ass nigga.
Bye, Maya. You cannot.
Yeah.
Okay, Maya. See one there.
More questions, man. More questions, man. You know what I mean? I don't care either, man. I don't care either, okay?
Maya, why you not take my toy, Maya?
Man, I don't know, man. God damn, I'm gonna take you.
Maya, why you not take my toy?
I didn't let nobody take your Thomas, man. What is you talking about?
Why you not taking my toy?
Man. What's going on with the house you bought? They still in it. They supposed to be moving out this week. This week or next week or something like that. So I can start remodeling that motherfucker. I'm on your popcorn seed, too fat popcorn shrimp hand ass nigga, dangling head ass nigga. Okay, garbage ass nigga, whatever.
I don't care, Maya.
How was it in Mississippi? Sold out.
I don't care.
I don't care either.
Maya, why you not take my towel, Maya?
Hey, man. Hey, I don't know, little bro.
Maya.
When you coming to Atlanta so I can get on your ass? Maybe this weekend, garbage ass nigga.
Maya.
What, man? What the hell you want? You keep asking the same shit.
No, Maya, it's a and back.
Man, look, little bro. I ain't finna play with you, little bro.
Why you not pay me?
Because you two TGs, little bro. You don't know how to play, man. You don't know how to play, bro.
I know that.
Look at what?
Don't and that. I told you don't and that.
Man, little bro.
What?
Man, look, man. God damn, little bro. You just be doing too much, bro. Why you be doing too much all the time?
I didn't say tell. I don't care, Maya.
I don't know. You be doing too much. That's your problem. You do too much.
Maya.
This what I'm saying, son. Look, son, look, listen. I be trying to tell you. I be trying to tell you stuff, but you don't be wanting to listen. It's like me talking to a book. It's like I can't look. It's like every time I try to tell you something, you don't listen. I try to tell you this. Look, listen, little bro, listen. I try to tell you something, you don't want to listen. Why?
I do not take my tablet.
Listen, dude. Listen to me. Why do you always got to be crazy?
Why you take my tablet and you not monster again? And you not take my tablet?
Look, man. Listen here. Listen.
What?
Listen, come here. Let me tell you something.
Maya, you not take my tablet and now you don't.
Come here.
Maya,
Let me tell you.
I told you. I said you again. I said again. I don't care. I don't care. I said again. Why you say again? And why you say again?
Man.
Maya.
Let me see who this is calling me, man. God damn, man. Who this is, little bro? Damn. What's up with it, little bro?
Where you at, big bro?
I'm at the house, little bro. Where you at?
Hey, say, come outside and let's go to the shell so I can take these pics, dog.
My little bro, tell the bitch to take your pictures, little bro. I don't feel like it.
Man, she nifty. I gave up on her, cuz. I need your help, cuz. She buddy hell with the pics.
Man, little bro, I'm jacking off right now. I'm gonna hit you right back.
Say, little bro.
Look, you fuck. I'm jacking off right now, little bro. Let me holler at you. I'm a fuck. Give me about 3 more. Give me
that motherfucking nut and come out, cuz.
Give me about 3 more minutes, little bro. You heard me?
You got 60 times 3 seconds. That's 180 seconds, cuz.
Yeah, little bro. Give me about 3 more minutes, little bro. Let me take her this nut real quick. I got you, bro. I'm gonna come fuck with you.
Bust that hoe on the phone, cuz.
I'ma holler at you, little bro. Little bro on some more shit, little bro. Little bro on some more shit. Hey, I guarantee y'all, look, check this shit out right here. I guarantee you, whoever I call in my call log right now, they ain't got shit going.
Maya.
Look, I can guarantee it.
Look at that, Maya. And I'm a doctor.
Look, man, I already know, man. Look.
Okay.
Ain't nobody in my call log got shit going. Nobody. Watch this. I can call whoever. I know you don't care. Look at this shit. Let me call little bro right here. Little bro right here ain't got shit going. Watch this. He ain't got shit going. Watch this.
He's not young.
Little bro guaranteed ain't got shit going. Guaranteed. Little bro, what you got going?
Man, get your
What I tell you? What you doing? Driving in the car? You see what I'm talking about? Y'all, Lil Brian got shit going. That's why I told you, Lil Brian got shit going. I can guarantee you, Lil Bro ain't got shit going. Alright, I'ma holler at you, Lil Bro. I just want... Look, Lil Bro. I just want these folks to see you ain't had shit going. That's all, Lil Bro. Whole lot of black spray her ass, nigga. Alright, Lil Bro. You ain't got shit going. What I tell you? He ain't got shit going. Watch this. This another nigga who ain't got shit going. Watch this. He ain't got shit going. Check him out. Shit going. Just watch this. None. He ain't got motherfucking thing going. Not shit. What you got going, little bro?
Not shit.
What I tell you? Another nigga who ain't got shit going. What I tell you? Another nigga that ain't got shit going. We know what you got going, little bro. We gonna holler at you, little bro. We know you ain't got shit going. Little bro ain't got shit going. I can guarantee you, John, right here ain't got shit going. Damn, hold on. Let me leave. John here ain't got shit going right here for show. For show, John ain't got shit going. Check him out. Little bro, what's up with you, little bro?
We know what the fuck you got going.
Hey, tell your screen, little bro. Little bro. We don't... We know ain't none of you fool got shit going, little bro. We know you ain't got shit going. We gonna holler at you, little bro. We know you ain't got shit going. Get your motherfucking haircut, little bro. Damn, chicken strips. Hey, look, bro. I know I promoted you today and you got your chicken strip. Look, little bro. I know I made you a lot of money today, little bro. So let me ask you something. Hey. Let me ask you something, little bro. I made you $2,700 today, right? So what you gonna give me? What you gonna give me, little bro? Huh? Look, little bro, ain't no more promos, little bro. I ain't doing no promos, little bro. I just made, bro, $2,700 today. I can't do no more promos, little bro. I'ma holler at you, little bro. I'ma holler at you. Yeah, you know, I told you, man. Niggas ain't got shit going. Nothing going. Who else ain't got shit going in here? Check him out. You know he ain't got shit going. Check him out. He ain't got shit going. Guaranteed. What's up with your little bro? What you got going, cuz?
I ain't doing no chilling right there.
I told y'all he ain't got shit going. Look at this shit right here. What I tell you, he ain't got shit going. Alright, I'ma holler at you, little bro. We ain't know you got shit going. I told you, man. Ain't nobody in this motherfucker got shit going. Not shit going, man. Niggas ain't doing shit, man. Hold on. Let me see who else in this motherfucker right now. You know John here ain't got shit going. Check him out. John ain't got shit going. Check him out. Yeah, check him out. Man, John worse than hell. What's up with your little bro? What you got going?
What up, man? Give me feet down. You got my feet down.
For real?
What up with you?
Man, I was trying to see, man, can a nigga hold about 5 racks, fool? Shit just got out of hand, fool.
What happened?
Man, them folks had fucked up and mine did some dumb ass shit, fool.
Well, you know I got you, though. You know what I'm saying? Just give me, you know what I'm talking about.
My squeaky voice ass nigga got me to toenail head ass nigga. Yeah, look, this the only nigga that got some shit going. He getting his feet done. I'ma holler at you, man. Keep your 5 racks. I don't need no bread, garbage ass nigga. I'm rich, bitch. Ooh-wee. My nigga called Superior Clothing. You know he ain't got shit going. Check him out. Let's see what Lil Bro got going. You know Lil Bro ain't got shit going. He trying to sell some clothes. He ain't got shit going for show. For sure, for sure, for sure, for sure. Who else ain't got shit going, man? Yeah, he might got some shit going. He might got some shit going. Who else ain't got some... Ah, look, he calling back. He ain't got shit going.
You're not gonna spend Thanksgiving with me. Stop, don't pick me.
Nah, that's what I'm saying, little bro. What you got going, little bro?
What's up, man?
What you got going, little bro?
I'm at the store.
I know you ain't got shit going. I just wanted to lie to see you ain't had shit going. Get your garbage ass. I'm just letting these folks know that ain't nobody got shit going. Everybody doing the same shit. Shit going. There's another nigga who ain't got shit going, man. I wonder what my grandma got going. Let me call my grandma. Let me see what she got going. Let me see what the fuck my grandma got going on. What it is? What you got going? What you got going?
Nothing. I brought that turkey over to Tamara, and I was just sitting here for a few minutes.
For real?
Huh?
Man, them folk had got shot.
Wait a minute. Now, what you say?
I had said them folk got shot.
What for?
These nuts.
Oh, what? You nuts about need to be.
Damn. I don't holler at you. You ain't got shit going. We over here. We got some little females out. We got some little females over here. Finna drill. Yeah, finna drill something.
Huh?
Finna drill something. That's all. We ain't got shit going. Finna.
Oh, she doing lashes.
Nah, we finna get some drills. We finna hit something.
Get some dreads.
Some drills. We got some hoes over here at the house.
Oh, okay. Y'all finna get your rocks off?
Yeah, we finna get our rocks off over here.
Oh, okay.
So they come back later on tonight.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, we got about 12 hoes on the way.
Well, just don't have. Well, they can't go in my room, so y'all just.
Nah, that what we trying. That what we need to use your bed.
They drop.
No,
No numb nuts in my bed.
I'm just saying, is the door unlocked?
Nope. I
Damn.
don't think so.
Alright, I'm just gonna use the card to swipe it and try to get in there. Alright, we're
I'll
gonna.
be home after a while.
Alright. Damn. Ain't nobody got shit going, man. You can trust and believe it, man. Y'all can. We know. Look. You can tell when a nigga got some money. Let me see what you can tell when a nigga got some money got going. You know you can tell when a nigga got some money. I got shit going. You can tell when a nigga got some money. You can tell when he died. You can tell when a nigga got some money. I ain't even answering that motherfucker, man. What's up with him? What's up with him, man? Oh, shit, he got some shit going. Let me see who else. No, she ain't got shit going. Man. No, she ain't got a motherfucking thing going. Check him out. Check out. What's up with it? What you got going?
We in the shop.
Look, y'all, I ain't got shit going. Look at her. I ain't got a motherfucking thing going. Check him out, y'all. I ain't got shit going. I was just letting these folks know you ain't. Huh?
We still gonna eat good tomorrow, though.
Ah, damn right. I know y'all gonna eat good.
What you got going?
Man, on live right now. These folks see y'all. Ugly as hell. On the live. I was just letting them folks know that. I was just letting them folks know you ain't got shit going. Alright. Hey man, motherfucker ain't got shit going, man. Who else y'all want me to call? Y'all know Glock ain't got shit going. Let's see what Glock got going, man. Glock ain't got shit going. Let's see what Glock got going. Glock ain't got a motherfucking thing going. Nah, shit. Look at Ed. Look, bro. Hey, what you got going, little bro?
Shit, I'm on my way to the airport. Let me call when I get through with the GBA.
I just wanted to let them folks know that you ain't got shit going. That's all.
I ain't doing shit. Sounds like your best friend.
I told y'all John ain't got shit going, man. John is not got shit going. Ain't nobody got shit going, man. For real. Who else ain't got shit going on this motherfucker? Who else ain't got shit going? See what's up with Ed, man. Ed called me back, man. Niggas ain't got shit going, man. Nothing, man. It's just to let y'all know niggas ain't got shit going. Ain't nobody in the world got shit going. What it do, little bro? You call back just to let them folk know you ain't got shit going, little bro.
Hey, fuck that. You at the house, ain't you?
What you mean? I ain't at the house, little bro.
It don't look like it. Why I asked your ass?
Yeah, I'm at the bitch house.
I ain't playing, man. I'm finna be over there, fool. I'm finna get these real. I'm finna come over there.
I'm trying to tell you I'm at the bitch house.
You ain't on live in no bitch house.
Shit. I'm at the bitch house, little bro.
Nigga, you in a motherfucking house, nigga.
I ain't at the house, little bro.
I'll be over there, man. Your ass still on live. You been on live about 4 hours, ain't you?
Man, I just got on live, little bro. Stay in your place, little bro. Stay in your place, little bro. You hear me?
Don't be over there, fool. Hey,
Say no more. I know you ain't got shit going.
you got me fucked
I
up.
know you ain't got shit going, little bro. You ain't doing shit but selling some shoes, little bro. You ain't doing shit but playing the music, little bro. Playing the music. That's it. That's it. I'm showing your shoes. That's it.
Drop out right now.
Okay.
Drop out.
I'm gonna see you when you get here.
Alright.
Who else ain't got shit going? Who else? You can call my little nigga in the pen. Call my little nigga in the pen, man. Y'all know niggas ain't got shit going, man. I done told y'all this shit. Niggas ain't got a motherfucking thing going. Even my son ain't got shit going. Man, y'all know damn well Dolph ain't got shit going. Y'all know damn well. Who else? Who else ain't got shit going? Y'all hair worse than the hair. Popcorn. What's up with that, bro?
What's up, cuz?
What the fuck you want?
Hey, say, bro, I want you to take my pictures, bro, before I strip this motherfucking piece of plastic off your lamb. Bring your ass outside before I fuck your lamb up.
Little bro, get the fuck away from that lamb, little bro.
You see the eye? I'm about to take the dot off the eye. Stop playing with me, bro.
Little bro. Little bro. Little bro.
I'm about to take the eye out, cuz.
You know how much they gonna cost you if you fucked it up.
I ain't gonna hear your voice. Now if I shoot up there through that window, I'll be wrong.
Little bro, let me tell you something, little bro.
Say, what you smoking trees or something?
I'm full of the weed, little bro.
What you got going?
I'm full of the trees, little bro.
You're full of the trees, cuz.
Look, let me tell you something.
I got a 3.5 going for 50 right now, cuz. What's up?
Hey, let me tell you something. First piece of pussy getting that nigga. Hey man, god damn, little bro. You doing too much, little bro. You hear me?
Oh, bro, come outside, bro.
You doing too much, little bro.
Hey, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna holler at you, little bro.
Hey, bro, come outside.
Hey man, stop kicking my motherfucking truck, bro.
Come outside, bro.
I'm finna go get on John there. Hold on,
Mom, why you do like that? You're not gonna sit.
Look up. He texting me now. Look. What's up? My phone about to die. I'm on the way to the house. Watch this. You can tell when a nigga gets the money.
Maya, I don't care.
You can tell when a nigga got some money, man. Who y'all want me to call? Dolph ain't got shit going. Y'all keep saying Dolph. People line ain't got shit going.
I don't care, Maya.
I don't care either.
I care, Maya. You not take my fucking air, Maya. You not take my fucking air, Maya.
Come on, man. Let me get back to the question. I just called Glock. Damn. I'm gonna call Dolph for y'all. Y'all want me to call Kenny too. You know these niggas ain't got shit going. They ain't got shit going. They ain't got shit going. They ain't got shit going. Here, call back. Y'all ain't no Kenny money ain't got shit going. Look, he ain't got shit going. Hey, little bro, look. Little bro, I'm on live right now, man. I want to let these folks know how you just flied me out, how you did some green shit, little bro. How you fucked me out of my chain, little bro.
Why you holding the phone with your little hand? Let me get like a phone.
You must be in the hospital or something. Cause that's where you gonna be if I don't get my motherfucking chain, man, in the next couple of weeks, little bro. I ain't playing about my chain, little bro.
Bro, you is not no rapper, bro.
I ain't playing about my motherfucking chain, man.
Bro, you ain't no rapper, bro. Instagram Live. I don't know what you want, bro. Man, can y'all please tell this man he is not a rapper?
Tell that man, I want everybody to let that man know I need my motherfucking chain, man.
Bro, you ain't no goddamn rapper.
This nigga done told Waffy don't do my motherfucking chain, man. I done told y'all I got some big boy shit coming. This nigga go and tell these folks don't do my shit. Why could
You ain't no rapper, bro.
And y'all sit here and listen to this shit. You was not no rapper. You was not no rapper. You was not no rapper.
You ain't no rapper, bro.
So where I am then, bro? Where I am then?
You a businessman, man.
Okay. I'll take that.
Yeah, bro, you a businessman.
I'll take that.
You know what I'm saying? You own multiple business, dog. Fuck that shit. Go buy you another business. Start you another business. Why
Okay.
the fuck you want to spend your money on a goddamn chain? You ain't no rapper. Fuck a chain.
Y'all get this hear the Holy Ghost side of Dolph, y'all. Y'all hear the church side of Dolph. This the preacher side right here. This the my daddy part of Dolph right here. Y'all don't never hear. Y'all just hear the rapping and all of, the other shit. Y'all don't hear when nigga on nigga ass.
You said, man, your shit breaking up.
Huh?
Your shit breaking up.
This the daddy part where he on a nigga ass when he telling nigga what they can't do and shit.
Your shit still breaking up.
See, he act like he don't hear that shit.
Your shit still breaking up, man.
All right, man, I'ma hire you, man.
Listen, man, I just want you to keep getting rich, man. Fuck that chain. Fuck Fuck all that shit, man. Keep getting your money.
I'm gonna be rich anyway. I'm already finna be rich.
I said I want you to keep getting rich, man. God damn, bro.
What rich people?
Problem, man. This is sometime, though.
What do rich people buy? What money used for?
I'm gonna call you back, man. I'm finna pull. I got my nigga waiting on me with these pints, man.
We gonna holler at you, man. So they want to talk about dumb shit. We gonna holler at you. Dumb shit. You wanna talk about pints and shit. Who that is right there? Who else y'all want me to call, man? Who else y'all want to talk to? I y'all see what the fuck I be talking about, man. I can't get no motherfucking time, bro. This shit dumb shit. Everybody else can get a motherfucking chain but me, bro.
Okay, Maya, and then I have something, Maya.
This shit don't make no motherfucking sense, man. Damn, man.
I don't care, Maya. I don't care, Maya.
I need my motherfucking chain, man. For real. What's going on, company? Who else y'all want to talk to? Y'all want to talk to,
I looked it up. I got two and then I went acting.
man, back to these questions, man.
Oh.
I'm done calling people, man. We know ain't nobody got shit going.
Yeah. What's that? Okay.
Y'all, why y'all keep saying Kenny? Why y'all want to call Kenny? Kenny ain't got a motherfucking thing going, y'all. Man.
Maya, why you do that?
You did that, man. Damn.
Not me, Maya. Not me, Maya.
What you mean?
You did that, Maya. You did that, Maya.
Hey, what y'all think I need to name my funnel cake truck?
Mama gotta get you, Maya.
Should I name it these nuts,
Maya.
funnel cakes,
Mama
and
gotta
pronto
get
puffs? Roasted nuts, funnel cake, and pronto puffs.
Mama gotta get you, Maya. Mama.
Or, excuse me, sir.
Ow! He bought me back.
What y'all think? What y'all think? What should I call it? Y'all doubt deny he don't know what the Somebody said itchy. Somebody said itchy nuts fun, okay? Ah, they fuck with the excuse me, sir. What y'all think? Rebecca Cakes.
She tell me
Rebecca Cakes.
she tell me face it, I face it. I said it's metal that you riding, please. I'm the hottest shoe.
Rebecca Cakes.